CentraHub CRM brings quick and easy to deploy solutions to your business right out of the box with high degrees of scalability and flexibility. The product line has won many awards and a user base of more than 150,000 in over 17 countries. CentraHub Edu is a comprehensive student information system for all types of educational institutions. It includes features specific to marketing, student acquisition, enrollment, fee management, scheduling, attendance, academics, alumni, as well as GPS vehicle tracking and maintenance. CentraHub EDU's marketing module allows you to create and track multiple campaigns. These campaigns can be defined with varying goals and budgets, with tools to measure returns. Get insights on individual campaign performances and alter your marketing campaigns to maximize ROI. Application forms can be automatically imported into the CRM. With CentraHub EDU, an inquiry or lead could be effortlessly converted to an application form. Users could track it using stages of the acquisition cycle within the CRM. This solution enables you to automate the whole process of student acquisition. Application forms could be imported and sorted based on basic eligibility criteria. Apart from converting a lead to an application form, you could also monitor the success rate and track applications across the acquisition cycle. The solution also includes processes for inter-school transfers, reallocations, promotions, and more. Equip students and their parents with dedicated portals for effortless communication. You could raise invoices for parents, sponsors, and corporations as required. The application also provides a separate portal for instructors and teachers. CentraHub EDU houses smart fee management tools with automated alerts. Send out automated notifications to parents and sponsors related to fee payment. Easily manage opening balances, pro forma invoices, receipts, discount vouchers, refunds, and more. With CentraHub EDU, you no longer have to worry about discount computations. You can define multiple types of discounts and waivers in the fee payment. The discount types include general, corporate, sibling, early payment, staff, and scholarship discounts. The solution is preloaded with templates for tuition and other types of fees. Access predefined templates for transportation fees, sponsor-specific fees, and more. You could also create new fee types and define refund policy, along with other details. Prepare a comprehensive plan of study for the whole program with CentraHub EDU. Use the solutions template to define critical metrics such as prerequisites and credit hours for each subject or course. Map each instructor to their primary and secondary subjects for increased productivity. Easily create periodic time sets. Define weekdays and daily timetables. Allocate rooms and teachers based on subjects and classes. Define, track, and manage teacher schedules with options to swap periods. With CentraHub EDU, record student attendance automatically with minimal manual effort. You can define attendance status based on subjects and sessions, specify attendance criteria, and generate comprehensive reports for 360-degree monitoring. Our education software simplifies and standardizes assessments and exam management. Categorize assessments into summative and formative types as required. Define grades, percentages, and points to obtain results, and generate gradebooks and report cards with GPAs and CGPAs. RESTful APIs allow the solution to further integrate with various legacy or third-party systems. Connect tasks, calendars, contacts, and emails in Google Suite and other applications. GPS integration is available with Google Maps for location tracking of transport vehicles. Reduce storage costs with Cloud Drive connectivity, linking to your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive account. You could also integrate the solution with your ERP using the CRM's standard mapping tools. So what are you waiting for? Contact your CentraHub CRM partner to get in touch with a product specialist, or visit CentraHubCRM.com/pricing to compare our versions and try one that's best suited for your business needs now for free. We look forward to digitally transforming your business.